Hey everybody, this is Cheryl Morrison, your local Chicagoland real estate attorney, and I wanted to just share a little bit of a story with you guys today. So earlier in the week while I was at work, my parents were watching the kids, and my mom sent me some pictures of the kids helping my dad stuff some envelopes that he's sending out, and it brought back so many memories for me. As a kid, my dad was working as a loan officer, a mortgage broker, and one of the very first things that I did to help him was to stuff mailers like that and address envelopes and, close them up and put a stamp on them to send out. It was probably, one of the first ways that I, made a couple bucks or two. So it was interesting to see my kids do that same exact thing, helping him, with his business now. And, as I grew up, he opened his own mortgage brokerage company, and I got a job working for him first as a receptionist, but then worked my way up to assistant loan processor and helped process people's loans so that they could get approved for their mortgages. It was really educational for me because it showed me the ins and outs of that process in a way that, most lawyers probably don't have that level of knowledge about it because they haven't seen it from that side of things. Then I went away to college and went to law school. I took a real estate law class kind of on a whim because I didn't think that I really wanted to do that. Probably how most people think that they don't want to do what they've come from. But I really did enjoy it. When I got out of law school, my first job was working at a boutique commercial litigation firm, and we worked with lots of banks and title companies, handling their lawsuits for them. And I actually ended up working on a case with a partner, an appeal to the Illinois Supreme Court that ended up setting precedent here in Illinois for title coverage. And it's interesting because when I go to events, continuing education classes now, that case is often brought up. So it's kind of fun to have something that you worked personally on be something that everybody gets educated about. And then I opened my own business, and at first I took many different cases from many different areas, and then I found that I really loved helping people, in the areas where the law touches them most often, which is when they buy a house and take the hard-earned money that they've saved for sometimes many years and put it toward a home for their family. It's just really an honor to be able to use all of my experience that I've gained over the years working in different ways in real estate to help people protect their biggest and most important asset. So I love that as a real estate attorney, I get to bring not only my legal education and training, but also my background education from having grown up in the industry, so to speak, and use that extra background knowledge to better help my clients have a great experience when they're buying or selling a home. So I hope that that's, kind of been fun. I laughed that my kids were doing the very same thing that I did as a kid too. It brought back lots of good memories, and I hope that you've enjoyed me sharing with them today. So if you have any questions about anything, I'm here for you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.